Hi folks, Colin here, welcome back to the channel. We're going to do some more rock and roll tonight. We're going to look at a Buddy Holly tune, classic tune, written just before he sadly died in 1959 on the Winter Dance Party tour. Him and the Big Bopper and Richie Valens sadly all died in a plane crash. The Winter Dance Party tour had all these artists on it. Waylon Jennings was on it as well. But it was really badly organised. It was a total disaster, and they were travelling on buses across America. There was no heating on the buses. They were all getting sick, so some of them decided to take a plane between the destinations, and that plane unfortunately crashed and people died. So this song was written as part of the Apartment sessions, very famous. Buddy Holly had a flat in New York and he wrote these songs, some great songs, just before he died. They weren't released until after he died, and some of them were overdubbed by a band called the Fireballs, and they really did a good job of them. The acoustic sort of sessions on their own are amazing, but they actually did a very good job with the overdubs as well. So check those out. Okay, so this is in the key of A, but it's actually tuned down half a step. So my bottom string is actually E flat or D sharp. Now what I use a tuner. I recommend you use a tuner. Some people don't like these tuners, but I tell you, it's better being in tune than not being in tune, so I would get one and just use it and ignore the guitar snobs. So the main riff goes like this. So what I'm doing there is playing an A chord, so down, 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 up, down, up, and then moving to the D's for two ups, and then three ups, alright, and then we're going to play an E chord, and for that little note change there, I'm putting my pinky onto the third fret of the B string, so the whole thing. And what I'm doing with my left hand is I'm actually releasing the pressure to get that kind of staccato sound. So I'm releasing the pressure on that D. So maybe you can see my hand just releasing the pressure on that D. Okay, so the verse goes, there comes a time for everybody when true love will come their way. Okay, so what's happening? I'm playing an A chord. There comes a time. That's a C sharp, so that's an A-shaped bar chord at the 4th fret. Done it many times on the channel. Up one more fret, that becomes a D. Everybody, back to A. There comes a time. C sharp, D, A, D. When true love will come your way. That's an A7, so I put my pinky onto the 3rd fret of the high E. Okay, then for the bridge, I didn't hear them say a word of E when that time would be A, F sharp minor. I only know that what they said is E not come true for me. So an F sharp minor. There's a bar at the 2nd fret and the back 2 fingers on the 4th fret of the A and the D. Didn't hear them say a word of E when that time would be A. F sharp minor. I only know that's what they said. He has not come true, for he said of me, hey, there comes a C-sharp time for the everybody. Hey, when D, what true love, E will come your way. Riff. Hey, there comes a C-sharp. That's what they say. Okay folks, bittersweet, lovely song, but it's so sad that he died so young and so talented. Okay folks, see you next time for more rock and roll, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so. And I'm going to be doing a Zoom workshop on Thursday the 25th of September 2025. The link is in the description. You go on that, it gives you the instructions how to join. It's free. It's just a way of just connecting with people that watch the channel, and take it from there. If anyone wants any guitar lessons down the line, that's fine, but it doesn't really matter. You're welcome to join the Zoom call, and it's fun to meet other people that are playing guitar. We've had a few folks have met up through this channel and the foreign bands and stuff like that, so it's well worth getting involved, and it's always good fun. Not too serious, we don't do big egos, we just enjoy playing guitar and we enjoy rock and roll, and that's the main thing. Okay folks, see you next time, keep rocking.